Hello, I'm Katie, and I did my presentation from a TED Talk called Performing Brain Surgery Without a Scalpel. Every tens of thousands of people in the world have brain surgery without a single incision. No scalpels, no operating tables, and no patients lose blood. Only a shielded room with a large machine that emits invisible beams of light at a precise target in the brain. Stereotactic radiosurgery is a non-surgical radiation therapy used to treat brain tumors. The radiation beam is tasked to destroy tumors, gradually scrubbing away malignant cells. One of the ways they start the process is with a CT scan, which is a series of x-rays to produce a 3D-dimensional map of the body. And it maps out the head, revealing precise locations, size, and shapes of the tumor. And the CT scan helps find the Hounsfield, which shows density of the different tissues. And that tells how the radiation will spread throughout the brain to optimize the effects. Magnetic resonance imaging is used to make an image of soft tissue to outline tumors, shapes, and location. Knowing where and how big the tumor is important information because the high dose of radiation that is needed. Many beams of low radiation collecting destroys the tumor. This even leaves healthy tissues surrounding the tumor reasonably unharmed because the multiple beams let the radiation make a path, directly angling to hit as close to the tumor as possible. The combined force breaks off the DNA, causing the structure to break down on the tumor. The rays damage area around the hazardous environment and is forced for the tumor reducing harm to the surrounding healthy cells. Dendritic cells sweep up the dead cells, flushing them out, as well as forming scar tissue on the brain. It's not usually the primary choice of surgeries because it's usually for smaller tumors, and also people with reoccurring tumors have limitations to this. One of the tumors, the meningomose tumor, shows equal or less reoccurrence of the tumor after this surgery is done. It's short to no recovery compared to surgery and is not painful. They've used this therapy on lungs as well, livers, and pancreas besides the brain. And they're working on it for Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and obsessive compulsive disorder. Thank you.